Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you some of my collection of junk mails and recycled papers, all that stuff. The stuff people usually just threw away. Actually, my father keep tons of newspapers for a long time. I mean, long time, and also junk mail envelope, the ones that had blank, like from credit card company. But I mostly threw away. I keep some sometimes for some stuff, like receipt of that. Now I'm so into paper crafting. I see so many on YouTube. People actually save them and utilize them for something useful instead of being wasteful, because we're already so wasteful anyway. Okay, so I actually save this. I was thinking to cut it to make tabs, and then I have saved the tabs, which I always threw away from clothes. You know, when I bought clothes, it's perfect tabs, and actually a lot of them are pretty thick. So I was gonna, and this is good for bookmark. So I'm gonna maybe cover up with some pretty paper and made a tabs that way instead of me making myself. And then obviously I cut some of the papers. This is the long ones. I keep them. And this is from the package. This is from the package. I actually keep a lot of like package boxes now because they're kind of thick, you know. So if I make something, I'll just find a similar size. This is actually pretty good size. Just use them as a base, and this one too. I also do like stamping, just to practice. I'm very beginning of these, even though I have many ideas, and these is all like for my practice, which I kind of wasted a little bit. And here we go. I actually saved some of them, my junk empty envelopes for a while before, because I always put receipts. Now I don't keep most of receipts, so it's actually sometimes I put flower seeds, you know, vegetable seeds in here. Now I'm thinking I can make actually junk folder, make it prettier, more organized. And also I actually keep the cover of the envelope too, because I can make pocket out of it. And they're actually pretty durable as well. So not going to waste. And I actually bought some of the Dollar Tree stuff that I was thinking to utilize the thickness durable and more durable, and just use the paper. All right, this is a short version of what I'm saving for some of my project, and I'm getting all these supplies now, like when they're on sale, trying to find stuff on sale, so I don't already spend a lot of money on these. So I'll try to be minimal. And this is my sketchbook from one of my classes long time ago. I still have them, so now I can make use of it. Just kind of practice some watercolors and some ink practice, because I don't stamping really well. And I actually bought this because I trying to learn watercolor myself too. So, but look at the paper weight, it's 90. It's pretty thick, so it could be nice card to making a cards too. And maybe I'll learn some watercolor at some time. All right, thank you. Enjoy whatever you're doing. Stay safe.